If you're looking for international power adapters, here's a collection you've got to see. Amazon UK Electronics. Power Accessories, International Power Adapters, Best Sellers 2017. Number 1, by TP-Link. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Inibud. Number 3, by TC Travel. For more info about these best sellers, just click the circle. Number 4, by Bez. Number 5, by TP-Link. Find these international power adapters at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by ShaniTech. Number 7, by Zozo. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by ShaniTech. Number 9, by TB1 Products. Discover more international power adapters ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Tech UK.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.